Why does my brain keep repeating the same negative thoughts?
Sometimes the brain grabs onto a negative thought like a piece of Velcro, it sticks even when you want it gone. This episode uncovers why the brain does this and how one simple 3-word rule can break the loop. You will learn how your mind creates these patterns and how to gently train it to choose a better one.
So, what does that actually mean?
Negative thoughts are usually your brain trying to protect you, but it sometimes gets confused and overreacts. It treats small worries like real danger and repeats the thought hoping you will avoid it. When we understand that the brain is trying to help, we can guide it instead of fighting it.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, small steps are exactly how the brain rewires itself. The amygdala sends the alarm, the prefrontal cortex helps calm down, and your thinking patterns reshape neural pathways through repetition. Even one simple thought replacement practiced daily creates new circuits.
How does this show up in real life?
Negative thoughts appear during tests, friendships, social pressure, and late-night worries. They show up as, "I can't do this," "everyone is judging me," or "I always mess up." These moments feel big because your brain is predicting danger even when there is none.
So, small equals big?
Every time you interrupt a negative thought, you weaken its power. It is like turning down the volume on a loud radio until it becomes background noise. Tiny shifts today become strong emotional muscles later, shaping confidence and resilience.
So, how do I start?
Use the 3-word rule: name, tame, replace. First, name the thought so it loses its disguise. Then tame it by taking a slow breath. Finally, replace it with a better truth. With practice, this simple rule becomes automatic.
What should we do today?
Today, catch just one negative thought and say, name, tame, replace, out loud. Notice how different your body feels when you guide your thinking instead of letting it run wild. Share your new thought with us. Every time you guide your thoughts, you grow stronger, calmer, and wiser. The mind becomes powerful through small daily practice.
See you in the next episode.